Well, we got another package. Let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Swiss Link. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. This appears to be the top. Okay, I see a manifest right away. Let's see if I can get this over here. Okay, just twirl it. Alright, some bubble wrap. Yeah, let's try to get everything out of here right now. Make it nice, easy to figure out here. So, the manifest here. Let's see. Let's see here, Swiss Link. And they do provide pictures of the items to help you identify them. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So right off the top, the first thing we had grabbed was this. This appears to be a French ARF-A gas mask, but no filter, large, extra large. / desert mask OD bag. Again, no filter. So you can see they use a lot of hook and latch here. And looks like these are your attachment straps to whatever other gear you have. Looks like something here used to be another cinch location, but you can see we have some fraying of the attachment point here. That might need to be replaced and re-sewn. Let's see, we have a pocket, empty, and this pocket, empty. So let's go to the main compartment, and there's our gas mask. So the remainder of the bag has two more slot locations and a larger pocket there, all empty, and bottom not reinforced. Rubberized bag. Gas mask does appear older and used. There are some stains. Filter attachment point, exit, speech area. Looks like something else there, possibly. Yeah, another spigot point there. So you can see the interior, and looks like they had to put this stuff here for the visibility. Interesting. So that's going to need some cleaning, I guess. But nice little curiosity. French gas mask set, although not quite olive green. Next up, let's see, we had grabbed this. This was a Austrian military issue folding shovel. So let's see here, screw point to loosen it. It is a bit stiff, so I'm not going to try to mess with this until later, but it's from observation. You can see the stamp marks there. Okay. Loosening point, and this would normally rotate out and lock into position. You can see the screw threads, but this is not turning at the moment, so I might have to give this a little bit of wiggle work. But for now, Austrian military issue folding shovel. Next up, let's grab a Dutch Army Woodland knife holster. So we can see somebody add some tape over the label. See that there. Hook and latch retention point for the top. And kind of the frog area. Possibly loops for something to be stowed there. Cross buckle this way. And then we also have this here as another buckle attachment point to gear. So there's a little bit of stuff going on here, depending on how you want to rig this up. But Dutch Army Woodland knife holster. Okay, next up, let's go with this Czech VZ85 shoulder harness Y-strap suspenders. So you can see this will be your shoulder point. These will go over your shoulders towards the chest. This goes down your back to the small of the back, and this would attach to a belt. It's like 2 cinch points here. See how they're reinforced at an angle. This on the back, and then 2 more attachment points here, and then these will attach onto the fronts of the belt. Web gear adjustment buckles. Let's do a quick magnet test. Let's start this end. Steel, steel, steel. Everything. This might not, nope, not steel as well. So it looks like all steel fittings all the way right to the lower back area. So again, Czech VZ85 shoulder harness, Y-strap suspenders. You see the big triangular stitch pattern there. Okay. Last but not least, this large item, British Tactical Vest MOLLE set with pouches, complete set. Okay, so this looks really new. Okay, cross chest buckles, 3 of them. Let's take a look at the label real quick. Now, number, vest tactical load carrying desert DPM, DC number, and then 2007. So, let's see the cord straps on the sides. A lot of extra material there. And right now it's bare. Although there is a pouch attached here. Looks like an admin pouch up here. Lots of MOLLE all over the place. Attachment buckles up here, possibly to a backpack of sorts. Or hydration unit, who knows. You know, whatever you can customize. So 2 of those. Cinch straps here. Oh, again, tons of MOLLE everywhere. So I can feel something in the storage compartments on the inside here. So if I can figure out how to get into here. You can see all these side zippers. So we got a pocket, even small pocket there. Okay, so we're starting to get some pouches out here. A very large pocket right there. So it looks like 3-strap MOLLE with also this pull tab there. Buckle front. Let's see if it releases and see if there's a label. Okay, so this is your CT, LS, and LRF pouch, the log number. This one is the AP grenade pouch, does a DPM. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I feel anything else in here. I don't think so. Something right here though. Try again. Okay, so inside of here, there is this setup. So you can see these two slots in here. Let's look around. Oh, okay. So while this side is mostly bare, admin pouches at the top kind of, here we already have pouches attached here. So we got quite a bit here. This one has the pull tab style latch. I don't see a label, so it might actually be on the back. Yeah, it is. Let's see if we can get a peek through the mesh, but I don't think we can. 2007 marked pouch there. You can just see the label on the neck thumb. Looks like we have other grenade pouches here. Let's see. Really firm snaps on these. Ooh, shiny. Okay, so this one is pouch helmet bag. Interesting. This one was the water bottle pouch. Okay, let's see what this one is. AP grenade. Okay, these are probably your mag pouches. So they got the buckle, pull tab buckles, and the hook and latch squares. Grommets at the bottom. Let's see if I can snap these bottoms open. One of these. Okay, so pouch SA80 ammo, Desert DPM DC numbers. I'll give you an idea of the pouches included here. These can go on the other side, rig it up. Alright, so working our way backwards, British tactical vest, MOLLE set with pouches, complete set. We had also had the Czech VZ85 shoulder harness, Y-strap suspenders. We also had a Dutch Army Woodland knife holster, Austrian military issue folding shovel, and then we had started off with this combination French ARF-A gas mask, no filter, large extra large desert mask, OD green bag. So I'm not sure that shows up there. Kind of like that. Okay. So these all came from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Swiss Link. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.